Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export HD and 4K videos in InShot. If you want your videos to look sharp, professional and ready for YouTube or social media, exporting in HD or 4K is very important. Higher resolution improves clarity, detail and overall video quality. And in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to export HD and 4K videos in InShot step by step. So let's get started. So first you need to open to your InShot app and tap on the video. Over here you need to select the clip you want to edit at, and you can also go to the draft and make sure your editing is fully complete before exporting, because resolution setting are chosen at the final step. And once your project is ready, you can tap on the top right corner of the save here, and this will open to the export setting panel where you can adjust the resolution, frame rate and sometimes bitrate as well. So under the resolution it says 1080p. What you can do is tap there and select any of the resolution you want. 180p is for the higher quality, ideal for the YouTube and Instagram. You can select 180p if you want sharp professional qualities with a balanced file, or you can simply select to this 4K here, and the 4K is for the ultra high resolution quality. Keep in mind 4K files are much larger, export time will be longer, and your original footage should be high quality for true 4K results. And after that you can tap on the save. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any queries please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.